Today we're going to talk about blueberries. As you can see from this plant we have here, they're really attractive bushes. So they're good enough really even to be grown in the ornamental garden. You don't have to just grow them in your fruit garden, you can place them anywhere amongst your roses and other shrubs in the garden. The key to growing blueberries is the soil conditions. They really love acidic soil, so you're not going to be good at growing blueberries or successful unless your soil is acidic. So when you plant them, it's best to plant them in the garden with half a bag of peat and mix that through the soil and plant the blueberry in the mixture that's containing the peat. If you're planting in a pot, use either a specific acidic potting mix like the Dalton's acid mix, or if you can't do that, use half peat and half an ordinary potting mix, and that will give your blueberries nice acid soil. When it comes to feeding the blueberries, I choose to feed them with slow food. This will feed evenly for nearly a 2-year period, and then in spring and again in autumn I top them up with Yates Thrive, which is for camellias, gardenias and blueberries, and it's an acid fertiliser, and that just pushes them into a bit more growth, and you'll obviously get bigger, fatter, juicier berries. A happy, healthy blueberry can produce 5 to 8 kilos of fruit per bush, and to get maximum fruit it's best to plant at least 2 different varieties because they do need a pollinator. The more varieties you have, the longer the fruiting season can be, and you can extend your fruiting season up to 5 months. From December right the way through to April, you could be eating these yummy berries. In the first year or 2 of your blueberry, there's really no need to prune, you just let it turn into a nice big bush. And in the 3rd year, when you're getting lots and lots of berries, that winter go in and choose anything that's a little bit spindly, anything that's crossing over, and any branches that look a little bit grayer than the others. They're the old branches and they won't produce as much fruit. Trim them out, so you're looking to trim out about 1/3 of your bush each year from 3 years on. Of course, blueberries are so yummy, the birds love them as well, and they take them really early before they're anywhere near ripe. So I cover mine with this great big crop protection bag. I pop it on way before the blueberries are showing colour and just leave it there, and that keeps your blueberries safe and you get all the berries and the birds will get none. Blueberries are not only absolutely yummy, but they're high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatories as well. So when you're gobbling those berries, you're doing your body a power of good.